Alright, we got a flat problem again. This one has a tube in it. So, it's pretty hot out here. Let me get this thing off, take it inside, and see what we can do with it. Oh. As you can tell, I can't see nothing, so let me see. I think I may have it. I can feel it, but I can't. Oh, it's not quite together. Terrible to get old and can't see no more. Come on out of there. I know it'll come out. It's almost out of there, I believe. There we go. And pull that off. Nothing else holding it. So all you need to do is slide it up and take it inside. Alright, see what we can do with this thing, because it actually has a tube in it, and we'll have to find the end of the tube and get it back over here, or take it out. Probably need to take it out, and there the end of it is right here. And the hole way over here. So I'm going to slide the tube back around, or slide the rim back around. Let's see if we can't get the tube. There it is. There we go. Now the tube is back around here, but I don't know what kind of shape it's in on the inside. So I don't know. Let's just see if I can put a little air in there. Feels like the tube is in there. No tube. I don't see a tube in there. No tube, so the tube is in the tire, and it's semi-straight, as far as we can tell. Now, what happened was, when it went down, my grandson tried to put some slime in it. We knew it had a tube in it, but I was unavailable. I was unavailable, let's say that. And so he put some slime in it, but he never took it off of the trailer. So it was slimed in this direction, you know. So all the slime was on the bottom. So if I don't know that slime will even work. It's worked great for me for the past 2 years. I got one more right here. One more right here. I slimed this tire over 2 years ago, and it's still aired up. I've slimed several tires, and they've held up for years. But just tires, not tires and tubes. I've never done a tube. So instead of taking it out and patching it like I normally would have, because it's already got some slime in it, I'm going to pull this off, pump some slime in it, and then fill it up with air, and then rotate it like I normally do with a normal tire. No matter where it's leaking, it needs the slime to go to there. So I don't know if it's leaking out here, or I don't know where it's leaking, but we don't care. We're just going to try some slime on a tube instead of patching it or replacing it or doing something right. We got some slime, don't cost anything extra, so we're just going to pump some slime in it and see what happens. Now then, we got the slime running. Now let's put it back on here. All right, about 5 or 6 pumps. And yeah, see if we can get our thing back in here. One thing to remember when you're using slime, keep in mind that whatever's in this tube, because I use this big jug right here, so, but whatever's in the tube itself won't be any good next time you try to use it. It's going to come out like that right there, and that ain't going to plug up no hole. So it has to be the liquid part. So you have to pump that stuff out first, which I didn't do, and that's the reason it popped off, and then fill it up. So now that we got it full, let's put some air in it and then roll it around and see if we can stop that leak. Alright, now then, what we want to do is get all that slime all the way around. And all the way around on this side. But we don't know where the leak is in the tube. And now that we've slimed it, there's no other option. There's no patching option by taking it out and patching it. There's only a replacing option. So now what we want to do is just roll that stuff around and see if we can't get it to on the hole wherever the leak is. And it could be on the middle here. Could be on this side or that side. You just don't know. I'll go get some soapy water. Come back and see if we can see if it's leaking. See if we can see any leaks anywhere anyhow. So we didn't even see no leaks before. And because it's a tube, it leaked on the inside. I don't know where it leaked out of, but it leaked. Oh, it's leaking now. It's not very, look at there. It leaked out. Where is it leaking at? How did it leak out and where did it leak out? Maybe one of those we can't fix with slime. Let me give it a spray. The reason we put a tube in it is because it was leaking everywhere. Now the tube's leaking, so you can't fix it. So after that, no slamming. I'm pretty sure we can't patch it on the inside. But I'm gonna pull it out and order us a new tube and and get back and see if we can't fix it later. All right. Slime work on tubes. Not inside the tire, I don't guess it does. So we got some problems there. So, all right. Slime didn't work. So I guess the next video will be, I'm gonna go ahead and post this so you'll know. And then the next video will be with us repairing this thing. Just about got to put a new tube in it because of all the places that's leaking on the tire itself. It's coming out all around, so it's weather rotted. May have to replace the whole thing. So I don't know. Let me do some research and find out the cheapest way to go, and then we'll do a new video on it. I guess that's it for now. Y'all take care.